if you're using YouTube to market your business and you want views in a hurry, you better make sure that your SEO is done right. That's search engine optimization. I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can use to pick a title. That's the first step. I'm going to show you 4 ways to pick a title, each one a little better than the one before, and that will get you started on better SEO. The first way to pick a title is what I've done for a long, long time. That's just guess. Make up something I like the sound of, put it in there, and go with it. I found that doesn't work real well. A second way is to put what you think is a good title into the search bar on YouTube and see if anything comes up. See if anybody's actually searching for that term. Sometimes that'll work and that will get you a start. A third way is YouTube in their YouTube studio has some tools that will help you. I've recently started using a tool that I think is better than the bunch, and that's TubeBuddy. Let me share a screen here and I will show you what I mean. Now you can see there I've been cheating, I've been trying some, and SEO done, video SEO done right will get you some hints if you put it in the search bar. I'm not going to do that. What I want to do is I want to open TubeBuddy and use the Keyword Explorer and show you how this works. I'm going to put video SEO in and explore and see what I get out of that. Okay, 40 out of 100. That indicates that search volume is pretty good down here and that the optimization strength is pretty good too. You can see there are other searches over here. These are things that TubeBuddy knows people are searching on. We're going to go a little bit farther and I want to see what it will do with video SEO done right. And explore. That comes up with 88 out of 100. Search volume is only fair, but it's a really strong optimization. It's just a good, strong thing. I'll try one more thing. I'm going to put 2025 and tell it to explore again. There, I've got excellent search volume and I've got excellent optimization. The unweighted competition means that that's across the entire YouTube platform, that there is some competition, but it's not real. There's not a lot of it. I've got a good chance of ranking high for that. So that is what I'm going to use, and you'll see that as my video title, and you've already found that because you're watching the video. There are lots of other tools and tricks that you can do with TubeBuddy. I learned about TubeBuddy on the Digital Marketers Success Network. My friend Gloria McDonald did several presentations there to show us how we can use TubeBuddy and a lot of other tools that she's got on her site. That's Digital Marketers Success Network. If you're trying to build a business online, if it's going great and you want to take it to the next level, that's the place to be. If you're struggling, come join us at the Digital Marketing Success Network. We'll help you. It's a great community. We don't recruit each other, and that's real important for me. All we do is help each other. The idea of the community is to help you grow where you are now and the company you're in, so you can get the most out of that, make your life better. I hope you found this helpful. I'm going to put links for Digital Marketer Success video in the description. I'm also going to put a link there for TubeBuddy. If you want to try it for free, you can go click on the link and go do that. Have a great day.